Hello guys, and welcome to another video of Inner All Rounder. In this video, I am going to show you how to use NetBeans. So NetBeans is basically an IDE which is used for Java, and I am using NetBeans IDE 8.2. So this is a kind of the latest version, and this is available on the internet. For downloading this NetBeans IDE 8.2, you can click on the link below in this description. So firstly, we are going to create a new project. For creating new project, firstly it will ask you for the category. So currently my category is Java, so Java, and then next, then the location. You can get any location by browsing it. So that's finish it. Now it's creating our project. 25 for done, waiting, and now it's created. So in this project, this is the sample page. We are going to open a, I'm going to show you how to make a new file. So just left click on the package. You can also rename it. For now, I'm going to new. In new, we have to go to Java class. So it will ask you for the class name, and make sure the class name is same here and in the program. Otherwise, it will generate an error. So class name is simple. Okay, so that's it. And here it is. Now I will clear all the non-required things. Then one important thing about this is it will show you the closing bracket if you will bring the cursor onto the first one. And for so as you can see, when I put one bracket, the second bracket will automatically appear, and that's also you can say unique feature found here. For example, now I will enter one bracket and the second one will appear automatically. So now here, now I'm going to make a program for int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, int c int c is equal to a plus b. System.out.println c. That's a very simple program for printing the value of a plus b, which will be 30. So now we are going to run this program. For running the program, you will have to left click on the file and then run file. So now as you can see, it's running a program. Answer is 30. So that's the basic about NetBeans and how you have to use it. For how you have to install it, I will make another video. Make sure you subscribe me to get the link of that video too. So that's all you should know about NetBeans while you are starting it up. And as a warning, I would like to tell you all that if your laptop is not properly updated and so on, please make it update so this application will work properly. Otherwise, it will not work properly. Thanks for watching my video, and like and subscribe it.